Do you ramble when someone asks you a tough question? Most people panic and overshare, and that dilutes your credibility. Here's how to sound calm and composed instead. Number one, pause. Silence creates power. Say, that's a valuable question. Let me break it down. Use this format: context, insight, and action, CIA. End with, would you like me to go deeper on any part? This is how confident professionals lead conversations, not just survive them. Save this for your next panel discussion, pitch, or client call. You'll thank yourself.